Hi, this is Joe from PrepAgent, and today I want to talk to you about the essential elements of value. But before I do, I want to let everybody know that if you want to get your pre-licensing courses done, go to PrepAgent. PrepAgent offers a lot of great courses so you can get those requirements done so you're eligible for the state exam. You can find a link to them in the show notes below. With that being said, let's move on to the topic at hand, the essential elements of value. STUD. Why did I say STUD? Because that's the acronym. Scarcity, transferability, utility, demand. Those are the essential elements of value that you need to know to pass your real estate exam. Scarcity, transferability, utility, and demand. Now you can remember the acronym STUD, DUST, or TZDA for all I care, as long as you remember those essential elements. If you want to remember DUST, it'd be demand, utility, scarcity, and transferability. Whatever works for you. It's got the same letters. So, STUD, DUST, TZDA, whatever works. Scarcity, how much of there is it? Transferability, can you sell it? Utility, can you use it? And demand, do people even want it? Those are the essential elements of value that you learn when you study appraisal and valuation and market analysis that you need to pass your real estate exam. Now, if we're going to talk about value, you also got to talk about depreciation. Depreciation is the loss in value from any cause. The different ways your property could lose value are the following: functional obsolescence, economic obsolescence, and physical deterioration. Functional obsolescence is when your property loses value because it's poorly designed. For example, a 6-bedroom house with 1 bathroom. Economic obsolescence would be when your property loses value due to causes outside the property lines. For example, an airport being built, train tracks, or maybe crime in the neighborhood. There's so many different things that could happen outside your property, but if they cause depreciation, that would be considered economic obsolescence. And last but not least is physical deterioration. Simply said, your house is falling apart. You gotta do some repairs. You may say that if your house is physically deteriorating, you need to rehab it. If it's suffering from functional obsolescence, you need to remodel it. And generally speaking, if it's suffering from economic obsolescence, you probably want to move. So, those are the 3 forms of depreciation: functional obsolescence, economic obsolescence, and physical deterioration. And just to review, the essential elements of value is scarcity, transferability, utility, demand, and you can remember that with the acronym STUD. This is Joe from PrepAgent reminding you, keep it concise and keep it simple.